世界正新鲜来看，日本有企业推出一种 AI 机器宠物，看起来袂输呢，像猪仔鼠、高水，也个搞塞奶，甚至也个有几那种个性，咱来看卖。
球伫个桌顶，浅柑仔色加浅朴色，看起来敢若是碰瓷球共款，身体软来寸去，敢若是伫咧甲你塞奶。这是日本电子商品企业卡西欧研发的 AI 宠物机器人 Mufflin， 细细只正高水。
Muffin's been designed to really help support emotional well-being and emotional regulation. It's quite special because, unlike when you think of AI, you maybe think of like large language models and the voice commands. So Mufflin is all about non-verbal communication.
研发公司讲，这个 AI 陪伴机器人，细细只，甚至会当放伫咧手盘顶，互消费者会当随身带伫咧身躯边，主人会当用手机的 App 解号名。机器内面有情绪地图，利用传声器、光线加触觉感应器，对光线、声音也个某个感觉，回应叫声、头下海震动、身体软来软去换姿势，主人会当用 App 来观察伊的情绪。斗阵久了，伊会根据主人的互动方式，建立一套甲主人斗阵的模式，进化出超过400万种的个性。斗阵50天了，就变做专工替主人设计特别的宠物。
The idea of looking at our very human softer side, like emotional regulation, anxiety, those kinds of things, and how our AI can help by creating a cute companion, which everybody has an emotional response to.
毛发定身躯拢是毛，互人伫咧摸过、抱过、打过了，会当有心理治疗的效果。卡西欧讲，这对伫咧养老院、学校也有治疗场所的民众，会当有正面的影响。伊也强调，这种机器人毋是宠物的代替品，或者是铁道物啊，是用新的方式，甲 AI 运用伫咧治疗甲社交层面的创新发展。公司新闻，但是董编辑。